ready to unlock the power of automated crypto trading. In the next minute and a half, we'll dive into coding the Kraken API with Python, empowering you to build your own trading bots and automate your investment strategies. First, let's set up authentication. You'll need to obtain your API key and secret from your Kraken account and securely store them. Then, using the Kraken library, create an API object, passing in your key and secret. This allows your script to securely communicate with Kraken. Next, we'll learn to fetch market data. Use the API's query_public method to retrieve information like current prices and volume for specific trading pairs. Pass the desired pair to the method and then extract the data you need from the response dictionary. Now, let's place an order. The query_private method enables you to place buy or sell orders. Specify the trading pair, type of order, market or limit, order direction, buy or sell, and the volume you wish to trade. Remember to handle errors and confirm the order execution. Retrieving historical data is crucial for backtesting and analysis. Explore Kraken's API to access historical price feeds, enabling you to analyze trends and optimize your trading strategies. Finally, explore building a basic trading bot. Implement a simple algorithm based on technical indicators. Continuously monitor market data, make trading decisions based on your algorithm, and execute orders automatically. And that's your crash course on coding the Kraken API with Python. With this knowledge, you can automate your cryptocurrency trading, explore advanced strategies, and build your own sophisticated trading tools. Happy coding!